What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here, and today we're going to be going over Actionetics. Now, there's a lot of people unsure of Actionetics MD and what it actually does and what it's capable. So in the next video series I'm going to be putting out, I'm going to be breaking down each individual section of Actionetics and letting you know exactly what it does and what Actionetics is capable and how you can use it to grow your business. So, now, today if we start in, we're going to first just quickly go over each of the tabs. I'm not going to get into all the detail on the tabs today. Today is just a basic overview so you know what's in Actionetics MD and you're able to understand it. In following videos, I'm going to dive into each section and do an in-depth dive and explain each section so you're going to know exactly how to use every bit of Actionetics. So, first we have our subscribers. This is just where all your subscribers are listed here. You have, if you click on 7 days, how many have joined the last 30, 60, last year, or all time. You also have your email list. This is where all your different email lists are stored. They're grouped together. So then you'll do a grouping. So for instance, you'll see here for the Funnel Doc Virtual Summit, there's 6 there. So here there's 6 different email lists that are underneath that grouping. And this is where you'll make all your actual email list. And this is what will trigger your follow-up funnels and your action funnels. See, the way it works is you create list in Actionetics. When someone joins a list, this list is then attached to a follow-up funnel. And when that list, someone has added that list, it then triggers that what we call follow-up funnels, which are right here, or the old name, the legacy version, are action funnels. They're pretty much the same thing. We're going to be sticking into only the follow-up funnels. We're not going to touch the action funnels because they're soon going to be doing away with that. So we only want to deal with things that are going to be in the future. So again, the way it works is when you're added to a list, if that follow-up funnel is attached to that list, whatever steps are in that follow-up will then fire once you're added to that list. We're going to get into this in a lot more detail later, but right now, like I said, we're just doing an overview of everything in Actionetics. So this is the email list. Next are broadcasts. Now these are the actual email broadcast, or here's the cool thing. Normally when people say broadcast, they're only saying emails. But, and again, we're not going to get too detailed on this, but in Actionetics, you're actually able to do 4 different types of broadcasts. You can do email broadcast, text broadcast, desktop messenger broadcast, and Facebook messenger broadcast. So that's a cool thing about the actual broadcast feature in Actionetics is there's actually 4 different types of broadcasts that you can send out. We're going to be doing, or I'm going to be doing videos breaking down each one of those. And the cool thing is this allows you to send a real-time message out to your audience or to your list. So if I want to send any of those, I can now, like, so if I have a video that came out, or maybe you have a new course that I'm launching, or maybe something you just want to get information out to people, that's the best thing about a broadcast is I can just fill it out, send it out to my audience, and engage with them that way. Whereas follow-up funnels, which are the next thing we're going to be talking about, are all automated. These are all set up ahead of time. So for instance, if we look at, let's look at this one right, let's look at here. You'll see that some of these, now these again are grouped, but you'll see for some of these they have as many as 21 steps. So the way that I've got it for people when they purchase Funnel Agency Secrets is you'll be getting an email every day walking you through what you need to do that day so that you can be successful. So I've got it set up now, so triggered. So these 3 actions happen immediately. And again, we're going to get later in detail into the actual follow-up funnels themselves in the follow-up funnel video. But I wanted to let you see what this is capable of. So then you have day 1, 2, 3, and etc. So these are all automated. So the difference between broadcast is they're live, you're sending them out, where follow-up funnels are more automated. And then ClickBots are actually, it's a automated form of messenger bot. So we're going to get into that. It's very limited right now, but we will actually break that down in the actual videos. What we're not going to talk about are email campaigns or action funnels because those are the old terms that they used to use. So that is Actionetics overview in the whole. Like I said, I'm going to have videos coming out over the next couple of days breaking down each one of these topics. So keep your eyes open, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Funnel Doc out.